Welcome to our guide on growing your YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Many creators feel hesitant about appearing on camera, but that shouldn't stop you from building a successful channel. Today, we'll explore proven strategies, creative content ideas, and practical tips for thriving on YouTube while staying anonymous. Whether you're shy, value privacy, or simply prefer a faceless approach, this video will help you unlock your channel's potential. Let's dive in and discover how you can make engaging videos, connect with viewers, and grow your audience, all without stepping in front of the camera. Choosing not to show your face on YouTube can be motivated by several reasons: privacy concerns, camera shyness, or simply wanting your content to stand out for its message rather than your appearance are all valid. Many successful channels have grown without ever revealing their creators. This approach allows you to focus on storytelling, creativity, and unique perspectives. By staying faceless, you can also maintain a sense of mystery and intrigue, which can attract curious viewers. Let's look at how you can leverage these advantages to build your own thriving channel. There are plenty of YouTube niches where showing your face is unnecessary. Animation channels, gaming, tutorials, commentary, and storytelling are just a few examples. Many creators use screen recordings, voiceovers, or animated avatars to engage their audience. Faceless content can be just as compelling and relatable as traditional videos. By choosing the right niche, you can play to your strengths and interests while keeping your identity private. Let's explore some of the most popular faceless niches and how you can get started in each. Voiceovers are a powerful tool for faceless YouTube creators. By narrating your videos, you can add personality, emotion, and clarity without ever appearing on screen. Many successful channels rely solely on voiceovers to connect with their audience. You can record your voice using affordable microphones and free editing software. If you're uncomfortable with your own voice, consider using text-to-speech tools or hiring voice actors. The key is to make your narration engaging and clear, helping viewers follow along and stay interested. Screen recordings are ideal for tutorials, gaming, software reviews, and educational content. By capturing your computer or device screen, you can demonstrate processes, play games, or explain concepts without showing your face. There are many free and paid screen recording tools available, such as OBS Studio and Camtasia. Combine screen recordings with voiceovers or captions to make your videos informative and engaging. This method is perfect for creators who want to share knowledge or skills while staying behind the scenes. Animation channels are a fantastic way to create engaging content without ever showing your face. You can use software like Adobe Animate, Blender, or even simple tools like Powtoon to bring stories, ideas, or educational topics to life. Animations can be humorous, informative, or artistic, and they appeal to a wide audience. With creativity and practice, you can develop a unique style that sets your channel apart. Animation also allows you to express yourself in ways that traditional video can't, making it a perfect fit for faceless creators. Text-based videos are another effective way to grow on YouTube without showing your face. You can use slides, captions, or kinetic typography to convey your message. These videos are great for explainer content, motivational messages, or educational topics. By focusing on well-designed visuals and clear text, you can keep viewers engaged and deliver information efficiently. Tools like PowerPoint, Canva, or After Effects make it easy to create professional-looking text videos. This approach is simple, scalable, and perfect for faceless creators. Stock footage is a valuable resource for faceless YouTube creators. By using royalty-free video clips, you can illustrate your points, add visual interest, and enhance your storytelling. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash offer a wide range of stock footage for free. Combine these clips with your voiceover or text to create polished, engaging videos. Stock footage helps you maintain high production quality without filming yourself, making it a smart choice for creators who want to stay anonymous. Animated avatars are a fun and creative way to represent yourself on YouTube without showing your real face. Tools like VTube Studio, FaceRig, or custom avatar creators let you design a character that moves and reacts to your voice. Avatars can add personality and charm to your videos, making them more relatable and entertaining. This approach is popular in gaming, commentary, and virtual influencer niches. With the right setup, you can build a unique brand identity while keeping your privacy intact. Podcast-style videos are perfect for faceless creators who want to share opinions, stories, or interviews. You can record audio discussions and pair them with simple visuals, such as static images, waveform animations, or slides. This format is easy to produce and allows you to focus on content rather than appearance. Podcast-style videos are popular in commentary, education, and storytelling niches. By delivering valuable insights and engaging conversations, you can grow your channel without ever showing your face. Slideshow videos are a simple yet effective way to create faceless content. By combining images, text, and music, you can tell stories, share information, or showcase products. Slideshow tools like PowerPoint, Google Slides, or specialized apps make it easy to assemble engaging videos. This format is ideal for educational, motivational, or review channels. With thoughtful design and clear narration, slideshow videos can attract viewers and help your channel grow without any on-camera presence. Whiteboard animation videos are engaging and educational, making them perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Using software like VideoScribe or Doodly, you can create hand-drawn animations that explain concepts, tell stories, or teach lessons. The visual style is appealing and keeps viewers interested. Whiteboard animations are popular in explainer, educational, and business niches. By combining clear visuals with concise narration, you can deliver complex ideas in an accessible way without ever appearing on camera. Music and sound-based channels are another way to grow on YouTube without showing your face. You can create playlists, original compositions, soundscapes, or audio effects. Many creators use visuals like album art, waveform animations, or simple backgrounds to accompany their audio. Music channels attract listeners who value creativity and relaxation. By focusing on high-quality audio and engaging visuals, you can build a loyal audience while keeping your identity private. Product review channels can thrive without showing your face. By focusing on hands-on demonstrations, close-up shots, or voiceover explanations, you can provide valuable insights to viewers. Many successful reviewers use their hands, props, or screen recordings to showcase products. This approach is popular in tech, beauty, and gadget niches. With honest opinions and clear visuals, you can build trust and authority while maintaining your privacy. Unboxing videos are highly popular and can be made without showing your face. By focusing on the product, packaging, and your hands, you can create engaging content that attracts viewers. Use voiceovers or captions to explain features and share your impressions. Unboxing videos are great for tech, toys, and lifestyle channels. With attention to detail and honest reactions, you can build excitement and grow your channel while staying anonymous. Cooking channels can be successful without showing your face. By filming your hands, ingredients, and the cooking process, you can create mouth-watering videos that inspire viewers. Use voiceovers or captions to guide your audience through recipes. Many popular cooking channels focus solely on the food and technique, making them accessible to faceless creators. With creative presentation and clear instructions, you can build a loyal following and share your passion for cooking. Pet channels are a delightful way to grow on YouTube without showing your face. By featuring your pets, their activities, and their personalities, you can create heartwarming content that appeals to animal lovers. Use voiceovers, captions, or background music to enhance your videos. Pet channels are popular in vlogging, education, and entertainment niches. With adorable footage and engaging storytelling, you can build a community of pet enthusiasts while keeping your identity private. Nature and travel channels can showcase beautiful landscapes, wildlife, and adventures without ever showing your face. By focusing on scenery, experiences, and narration, you can create immersive videos that transport viewers. Use drones, action cameras, or smartphones to capture stunning visuals. Nature and travel content is popular for relaxation, inspiration, and education. With thoughtful editing and engaging commentary, you can grow your channel while staying behind the camera. DIY and craft channels are perfect for faceless creators. By filming your hands and the project steps, you can teach viewers how to make, build, or create. Use voiceovers, captions, or background music to guide your audience. DIY and craft videos are popular in education, lifestyle, and entertainment niches. With clear instructions and creative ideas, you can inspire viewers and grow your channel without ever appearing on camera. Educational channels can thrive without showing your face. By using slides, animations, screen recordings, or voiceovers, you can teach complex topics in an accessible way. Many successful educators focus on clear visuals and concise explanations. Educational content is popular in science, math, history, and language niches. With thoughtful planning and engaging delivery, you can build authority and attract learners while keeping your identity private. Storytelling channels are a great fit for faceless creators. By narrating stories, sharing experiences, or reading aloud, you can captivate your audience. Use visuals like illustrations, slides, or stock footage to enhance your narration. Storytelling is popular in horror, mystery, and motivational niches. With engaging delivery and creative visuals, you can build a loyal following and share your stories without ever showing your face. Commentary channels allow you to share opinions, reviews, or analysis without showing your face. Use voiceovers, slides, or screen recordings to present your thoughts. Commentary is popular in news, entertainment, and gaming niches. With insightful analysis and engaging visuals, you can build authority and connect with viewers while maintaining your privacy. Building a strong brand is essential for faceless YouTube channels. Focus on consistent visuals, unique voice, and memorable channel art. Use logos, color schemes, and catchphrases to create a recognizable identity. Branding helps viewers remember your channel and builds trust. With thoughtful branding, you can stand out and grow your audience without ever showing your face. Channel art and thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers. Design eye-catching thumbnails and banners that reflect your channel's style. Use bold colors, clear text, and relevant images to make your videos stand out. Thumbnails are often the first thing viewers see, so invest time in making them appealing. With strong channel art, you can boost clicks and grow your audience without showing your face. Choosing the right channel name is important for faceless creators. Pick a name that reflects your niche, is easy to remember, and stands out. Avoid using personal names if you want to stay anonymous. Use keywords related to your content to help with searchability. A strong channel name helps viewers find you and builds your brand identity. Voice modulation tools can help faceless creators add variety and protect their identity. Software like VoiceMod or Audacity lets you change your voice, add effects, or improve audio quality. This is useful for creators who want to stay anonymous or add creative flair to their videos. With the right tools, you can make your narration more engaging and unique. Text-to-speech tools are a great option for faceless creators who prefer not to use their own voice. Software like Google Text-to-Speech or Natural Reader can generate realistic narration from written scripts. This approach is popular in explainer, educational, and news channels. With clear and professional narration, you can deliver your message effectively while staying anonymous. Writing effective scripts is key for faceless YouTube creators. Plan your content, organize your ideas, and keep your narration clear and concise. Use engaging language, storytelling techniques, and call-to-action phrases to connect with viewers. Practice reading your script aloud to ensure it flows naturally. With strong scripts, you can make your videos more engaging and professional. Editing software is essential for faceless creators. Tools like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve help you assemble, polish, and enhance your videos. Add transitions, effects, and captions to make your content more engaging. Good editing can compensate for the lack of on-camera presence and keep viewers interested. With the right software, you can produce professional quality videos while staying behind the scenes. Royalty-free assets like music, images, and video clips are invaluable for faceless creators. Use resources from sites like Pixabay, Pexels, or Free Music Archive to enhance your videos. Royalty-free assets help you avoid copyright issues and maintain high production quality. Combine these assets with your narration or text to create engaging, professional content without showing your face. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for faceless YouTube channels. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help viewers find your videos. Create engaging thumbnails and write compelling descriptions to boost click-through rates. SEO helps your channel grow organically and reach a wider audience. With smart optimization, you can compete with traditional channels and build your brand without showing your face. Consistency is key to growing your YouTube channel. Set a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Consistent content helps build trust with viewers and encourages them to subscribe. Plan your videos in advance and batch record or edit to save time. With a steady stream of content, you can grow your audience and keep viewers engaged without ever showing your face. Engaging your audience is important for faceless creators. Use polls, questions, and community posts to interact with viewers. Respond to comments and encourage feedback. Engagement helps build a loyal community and increases your channel's visibility. With thoughtful interaction, you can connect with viewers and grow your channel without ever appearing on camera. Collaborating with other creators can help faceless channels grow. Partner with channels in your niche for joint videos, shoutouts, or cross-promotions. Collaboration expands your reach and introduces your content to new audiences. You can collaborate through voiceovers, animations, or shared projects without showing your face. With strategic partnerships, you can accelerate your channel's growth and build valuable connections. Faceless channels can monetize just like any other. Enable ads, join affiliate programs, or offer sponsored content. Sell digital products, merchandise, or memberships to diversify your income. Monetization is possible in almost every niche, from education to entertainment. With valuable content and a loyal audience, you can earn revenue while keeping your identity private. Channel analytics help faceless creators track growth and optimize content. Use YouTube analytics to monitor views, watch time, and audience demographics. Analyze which videos perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Analytics provide valuable insights for improving your channel and reaching your goals. With data-driven decisions, you can grow your channel efficiently without showing your face. Faceless creators may face unique challenges, such as building trust or connecting with viewers. Overcome these by focusing on high-quality content, engaging narration, and consistent branding. Address viewer questions and provide transparency about your channel. With perseverance and creativity, you can turn challenges into opportunities and grow your channel successfully. Avoiding copyright issues is crucial for faceless creators. Use only royalty-free assets, original content, or properly licensed materials. Credit sources when necessary, and follow YouTube's copyright guidelines. Copyright strikes can harm your channel, so always double-check your resources. With careful planning, you can create safe, high-quality videos and protect your channel. Building a community is important for faceless channels. Use social media, Discord, or forums to connect with viewers. Host Q&A sessions, polls, or live streams with voice-only formats. Community engagement helps build loyalty and encourages viewers to share your content. With a strong community, you can grow your channel and create lasting relationships without showing your face. Channel growth strategies for faceless creators include optimizing SEO, collaborating, engaging your audience, and maintaining consistency. Experiment with different content formats and analyze your analytics for improvement. Growth takes time, so stay patient and persistent. With the right strategies, you can build a successful channel without ever showing your face. Maintaining privacy is a priority for faceless creators. Avoid sharing personal information, use pseudonyms, and protect your identity online. Set boundaries for what you reveal and monitor your digital footprint. Privacy helps you feel comfortable and secure while creating content. With careful planning, you can enjoy YouTube's success without compromising your anonymity. Many YouTube channels have achieved massive success without ever showing their creators' faces. Examples include animation channels, gaming streamers, and educational creators. These channels prove that content quality, creativity, and consistency matter more than appearance. By learning from their strategies, you can build your own faceless success story. Staying motivated is important for faceless creators. Set goals, celebrate milestones, and connect with other creators for support. Motivation helps you overcome challenges and stay consistent. Remember why you started and focus on your passion for content creation. With perseverance and a positive mindset, you can achieve your YouTube goals without showing your face. In summary, growing on YouTube without showing your face is entirely possible. Choose the right niche, use creative content formats, and focus on quality and consistency. Protect your privacy, engage your audience, and learn from successful faceless channels. With dedication and smart strategies, you can build a thriving YouTube channel while staying anonymous. Now, take these tips and start your faceless YouTube journey. Thank you for watching our guide on how to grow on YouTube without showing your face. Remember, your creativity, consistency, and content quality are what truly matter. Stay motivated, protect your privacy, and embrace the faceless approach. With these strategies, you can achieve success and build a channel that reflects your unique voice. Good luck on your YouTube journey.